Today I'm going to show you how to insert an image into another image in Adobe Photoshop. This is a super useful technique for thumbnails, composites, product mockups, or any creative project where you want one photo placed inside another. By the end of this video, you'll know the fastest beginner-friendly way to do it. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Photoshop guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Photoshop and load the background image you want to place another picture into. Go to File and click Open, then choose your main image from your computer. Once the image is open, it's time to insert the second image. Go to File again and choose Place Embedded. Select the image you want to add and Photoshop will automatically place it on top of your background as a new layer. Next, resize and position the image. Press Ctrl+ to activate Free Transform. Drag the corners to resize the image, rotate if needed, and move it into the exact position you want. If you want the image to blend more naturally, you can add a layer mask or experiment with different blend modes in the Layers panel. Once everything looks right, press Enter to confirm the placement. Your second image is now inserted into the project as its own layer, which means you can still edit, move, or transform it anytime. And that's how to insert an image into another image in Photoshop. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching.